In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Midjourney to get interior design concepts. So, I'm going to teach you a free method and a paid method. Both are pretty good. So, first of all, for the free method, you want to go to Google, type in interior design and go to images. Likewise, if you have some images from Pinterest or somewhere like that, you can use those too. So what you're going to do is you want to click on the image you like. I think this is pretty cool. Right click, save as. And you're going to want to download that image. Now, we're going to go back to Midjourney and we're going to do /describe. Now, it's going to give you a box to add your image. We're going to click on the image that we've just downloaded and hit enter. Now, what this is going to do is going to describe the image for you. It's going to tell you what it is and it's going to give you some examples. Now, one sec. Okay, so I'm not sure why, but I had some errors with this one. So I moved on to a different image. I described this image. I did the same process. Now it's given me 4 different descriptions of this image. 1, 2, 3, 4. What you need to do is you need to read through each of these and see which one is the most accurate. Now, if none of them are accurate, you can press this refresh button here and it will give you 4 new ideas. Now, let's say number 1 is the most accurate. We're going to click number 1. We're going to click submit. And what this is going to do, it's going to have taken this image, it's turned it into this prompt, and it's going to turn this prompt and use it to create some images. So we'll wait for this to work for a little while. Now, as you can see, the image is almost made, and it's not perfect. It's not identical to this. You can see what it's done, and I'm sure if I selected this better, it'd be better. But you can see what it's tried to do here, and it's complete here. What it's tried to do here is it's tried to take the floral effects and the flooring and also this sort of mesh here, and it's tried to incorporate those into the images. Now, these are nice. They're really cool, but maybe they're not what we're looking for. And this is the problem with the free version. So let me show you how the paid version works and why it's better. So we want to go onto Google. We want to go to this website called PromptBase. Now, I want to type in interior design. Going to go to Midjourney here, and here we're going to be given tons of different looking interior designs. So let's say you like this modern house interior design. You can click on this, and here are the examples of what has been made from this prompt. These are all been made from this prompt. So if you like the look of these and you want to generate some of these of your own, you can get this prompt. It costs $3.99. You click get prompt and you pay for it. Then they give you the prompt, which includes all of the keywords. They'll also give you instructions on how to customize this. So if you want it to be a porch like this, they'll tell you how to do that. If you want it to be a kitchen, kitchen and toilet, they'll teach you how to do this. They'll teach you every single step to make it fully customized to what you want. Now, you can go through here and click on all the different styles you like. Maybe you want to make this kind of mock-up for a kitchen or bedroom. You can do this, and it's going to tell you how to customize it. And it's exactly the same premise. You just paste it into here, you change all of the keywords to your liking, and it's going to make them for you. Now, once you've finally got what you are looking for, you can upscale it. So if you click U on the number, it's going to upscale it. So this is number 1, this is number 2, number 3, and number 4. Likewise, if you don't like any of them, you can press this and it's going to regenerate them. And finally, let's say you like this one here, but you want to see if it's got some better options. You can press V1, and that's going to create variations of this image. So that's how you do it. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please like, subscribe, and comment down below that it worked. Thank you for watching.